Welcome to Nyam Nyam! We've got some wonderful Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle cupcakes for you today! Awesome! Start with 1 pack of cupcake mix. Pretty easy, don't need to make it yourself, just buy it ready-made from the store. Add in 180 millilitres of water, then 90 millilitres of sunflower oil, and 3 eggs. Give it a good whisk. There. Now we're adding some green food colouring. Because we want our cupcakes to be a turtle colour. Mix that in. And then spoon the mixture into your cupcake holders, which are also green to match. Bake those at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Take them out, let them cool, and meanwhile make the buttercream icing for the topping. We've just whisked together some room temperature butter with some icing sugar and added, more green food colouring. Excellent. Once that's mixed together, just pop it in a food piping bag. Now get your cupcakes and just slice off the tops. We want a nice flat surface to work with. Then start piping on your green buttercream icing. Go round in a spiral shape all the way to the middle, making a fairly thin layer. Now let's spread it out evenly and smooth it using a flat knife or a spatula. We want it to be nice and smooth because we're going to add some more detail on top. Speaking of which, use your piping bag to pipe on some green mouths. These need to be quite thick to stand out from the base. There! Now flouring a chopping board, we're going to roll out some fondant icing, starting with blue. What we're doing here is we're making the masks, so cut out a strip. Then slice in the middle of one end and fold one side over the other side. There we go. Now, using a small circular cutter, we want to cut out 2 eye holes. Great. Let's repeat this with the different colours. So next we've got orange. Same process. Cutting out a long rectangular strip. Use the first one for measurements. Cut a slit in the end and cross it over. And 2 eye holes. We've done the same again with red and purple. Ready to place on our cupcakes. Just like so. These really are starting to look like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, aren't they? Wow! And the last one goes on. Let's pipe on some white buttercream icing for the eyes. And black for the pupils. Teeny tiny bit needed for that. And sticking with the black buttercream icing, we'll just pipe over the mouth. Repeat the same for each cupcake. Perfect! You've got Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, and Raphael. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle cupcakes.